morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see from the title, I just wanted to do a nice Sunday vlog, bring you guys along, and yeah, let's just have a cozy day together. So I don't have a huge plan for today's video, but I do want to go to TKMAXX. We are going to be taking the dog out, and I'm also going to be rearranging furniture because I want to create a coffee bar slash drink station downstairs. So we'll see how that all comes together and what it looks like. I'm really excited to do that. I'm also going to be going to TKMAXX for some journals and coffee table books. Those are the two main things that I'm going to be keeping an eye out for, so hopefully they've got a couple of bits in. I will share with you anything that I do pick up. I also need to do a quick tidy downstairs before we decorate and start rearranging furniture, because it's not a huge mess, it's not like a big clean today, but I definitely need to tidy up before I start moving furniture about. So we'll be doing that, but the first thing I want to do is get a coffee, and we'll take Max out because he loves his walk. So let's go ahead and get the day started. I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you do. Also subscribe using the little red subscribe button down below, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I am back home. This morning has honestly been all over the place. I didn't film much when we went out with Max because there wasn't really a lot to film, and there was just dogs and people everywhere. It was really busy. And then when I went into TKMAXX, it was so busy. Like, I didn't expect it to be as busy as it was. Obviously it's the weekend, so of course it's going to be busy, but yeah, so I didn't really get to film much. But I was actually really disappointed with what was in. I thought there was going to be loads of spring stuff, Easter stuff, and just like new in this new season, but there really wasn't a lot in. And there's normally like a whole like row, sometimes 2 aisles just for candles, and there was like a little section of candles. Yeah, there wasn't really too much to show you. I did end up picking up 2 books. I just got one that it says, let's take out the packet. So I got this one, it just says never doubt your instincts, and I thought this would be a perfect book to write all of my affirmations and my scripting and things like that in. So yeah, this is just a little notepad. Also saw this one, You Are Enough, and as soon as I saw it and the writing and the colour and everything, I just thought this is a bit of me. These 2 are from TKMAXX, and then when I got back I had a little parcel from Amazon delivered. Oh, it's so cute. So I picked this one up from Amazon. I'm going to have everything that I can linked down in the description box. This is just a little book of manifestation by Astrid Carvel. It's so pretty, and I think it's such a good size to just pop in your handbag as well. Yeah, just got a few books, but I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my Costa because I actually didn't have time to make a coffee before taking Max to the woods, so we ended up just picking one up on the way back. But I need to go downstairs and do a quick tidy, and then we can start decorating, moving furniture, creating a coffee station. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, I definitely recommend TKMAXX for books. I was actually hoping as well to find some sort of crystals in there, just more ornaments and crystals and just sort of vintage looking decor. I know TKMAXX do a lot of stuff like that, but yeah, this time wasn't meant to be, but they did have the books that I wanted, so really happy with that. But yeah, let's just enjoy the coffee. I'm really worn out from running up the stairs. Let's just tidy up and decorate. Okay, so this is what the front room is currently looking like. I actually moved the coffee table over here a few days ago because I just love the big open space, but it's time to move back because I want to have a whole like coffee bar area there. So all of that stuff can be moved, and then I can decorate the sides differently, decorate this corner differently, because I just had no idea what to do with it. So eventually that mirror is going to be going. I actually just brought that down from my dressing room. I should have really put it in the garage, but it just kind of got put there and hasn't moved. But I'm thinking of getting a mirror like along this wall here, and yeah, being able to decorate that as like a little coffee bar, drink station. So this is the cabinet that I'm going to be putting there. I don't know whether to keep it that colour or end up painting it white, but we'll see. So I'm going to pop it there and see what it looks like. Actually looks a lot better there than I thought it was going to. I don't know why I thought it would look bad, but that is the current situation. So I need to come out here, and yeah, with just a little bench out there, this is going to give me so much more room. But I need to just do a quick hoover because it's really bothering me how dirty and gross it is out here. So I'm going to quickly do that, and then we can come and decorate this little corner, which is my favourite thing to do. I am going to eventually like empty all of these because obviously this was just it's just full of rubbish, to be honest. So I need to go through those, and I'm thinking of having like teaspoons and straws and things in those, and yeah, it's gonna look really cute. So I can't wait to get it all finished. How stinking cute is this? I absolutely love this. Why did I not think of this before? I don't know, but I love that it's opened up all the side over here as well. And yeah, it's just given me a lot more to work with. I'm thinking of getting a lamp to go behind it, and then another lamp light. I'm gonna create like a vignette thing in that corner. I'm still thinking about having a mirror there, just to sort of open it up a little bit. I don't want to put anything too dark or like a picture or anything there, so I think a mirror would really open it up. But I might go ahead and put one of my new vases there for now, just until we get the lamp. And yeah, I need to sort out the coffee table and do a little rearranging, a little decorating. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. Sometimes I feel like the slightest change can make the biggest difference, and yeah, I just love how everything came together. I need to get like a better, like more aesthetic box for all of Max's toys. That's just all of Max's stuff under there. But I'm thinking if I get like a nicer basket, it won't actually look too bad and it can just stay under there permanently. But I just moved a few bits around. I wanted to have like the pampas up there because it just adds height to the windowsill. And yeah, I really love how this is looking. But now I'm going to show you the disaster that is the kitchen. I did stop filming for lunch and this happened, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick speed clean. But yeah, definitely subscribe if you want to see how everything ends up. I'm going to be decluttering all of the drawers in the next video. Hopefully I'm going to get a bench for the hallway soon, and yeah, there's just going to be lots more home updates, so make sure you stick around. But right now I need to get this kitchen in order because it's shocking. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. It's just been a nice casual Sunday vlog and it's my favourite type of vlog to film, so I really hope that you've enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all of my future home updates. I am going to be changing quite a bit throughout the year, and yeah, I would love to bring you guys along. So if you are into home decor, home styling, homemaking and all that fun stuff, definitely stick around by clicking the red subscribe button down below. Leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.